Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for all things natural and wellness. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many breastfeeding mothers face: milk blebs. I'm going to share my top 3 at-home remedies to get rid of milk blebs fast. When those blocked milk ducts form tiny white blisters on your nipple, it hurts like crazy. But don't reach for the nipple cream just yet. In this video, you'll discover 1. A warm compress trick using things you already have at home to clear clogged milk ducts in just minutes. 2. An unexpected kitchen staple that can help dissolve those plugs day and night. 3. A nourishing nipple salve blended with herbs and oils to heal blebs naturally. Even if you've tried everything to unclog painful milk blisters with no luck, these remedies work wonders. In fact, I was able to go from squeamish feeds to pain-free nursing in just 1 to 2 days. Warm compress. 1. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water, wring out excess. 1. Place on nipple for 5 to 10 minutes before nursing to help open milk ducts. 1. Do this 2 to 3 times per day. 1. The moist heat softens the bleb plug. Massage. 1. Use your fingertips to apply firm pressure and massage the area around the blister, moving toward the nipple. 1. This can help loosen the plug and get milk flowing. 1. Do this for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Cold compress. 1. Wrap an ice cube or frozen spoon in a thin cloth and apply to sore nipple after nursing for 5 minutes to reduce swelling and discomfort. 1. The cold constricts blood vessels. Epsom salt. 1. Mix 2 tablespoons Epsom salt with warm water until dissolved. 1. Soak your nipple for 15 minutes per day to reduce inflammation. 1. Magnesium in the salts provide healing benefits. Garlic. 1. Crush a garlic clove to release the active ingredient, allicin. 1. Apply the garlic oil directly to your blister and allow it to air dry before nursing. 1. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Aloe vera gel. 1. Break off an aloe leaf, slice open and apply the gel inside to your nipples 1 to 2 times per day. 1. Aloe vera contains enzymes and antioxidants that promote skin repair. That covers some additional at-home remedies and tips you can share in your video to help moms treat milk blisters quickly and easily. Let me know if you need any other suggestions.